I'm going to show you how to make this really easy tombstone to put in your front yard. First thing you'll want to do is remove the plastic from both sides of the foam board so that your spray paint will stick to it. Next, we're going to outline the tombstone. So use a marker or pencil, and you're just going to curve the top a little bit and then go straight down to the bottom. Then using your knife, you're going to carve along that edge that you just drew. Next, we're going to take our gray spray paint, and you're going to want to start along the edges and then just kind of fill it in. Now I'm using a screwdriver to make little indentations and marks so that it looks more authentic. You really cannot mess this up because imperfections are your friend. I just drag the screwdriver along the side to make what looks like a crack, scratching up the side because it's a very crisp, clean cut. Once you have the tombstone the way you want it, then you'll use some of the black paint to fill in those cracks and outline those indentations and all the jagged marks that you made. Now it's time to put some lettering on the tombstone. So in most cases, you want to start with RIP, so rest in peace. I am using a permanent marker so that I can outline it first. Now use some of that same black paint and paint over the writing that you already placed on the tombstone. Then you'll want to grab 2 of your stakes and figure out where you want these in your yard and start hammering them into the grass. We hammered in 1 stake first, then figured out where the placement would be with the tombstone, and then hammered in the second one. Now place 1 of your screws into the washer and then screw it into the front of your tombstone so that it lines up with one of the stakes that's in the back. You can take some webbing and kind of run it along the side and a little bit of the front of your tombstone just to make it look a little more spooky. And that's it, you're done. So on Halloween night, just shine a flashlight on your tombstone and you will have a really, really spooky yard.